Here I have ONEPLUS 10T, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, tap on three dots, go to its settings, then find this option touch and hold shutter button, select take a burst shot here, and now by holding down shutter button we can start a burst shot. So let's try it out. So as you can see right now I took like 20 photos. By tapping here we can review them all and select the one that fits you best. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.